How rich will you be if you invest $1,000 in Shiba Inu Coin today? Shocking results revealed. Occasionally, it's beneficial to take a step back to get perspective. When it comes to cryptocurrency, what-if situations are very prevalent, although they're often accompanied with regret. This is because they let many individuals understand how much money they might have earned had they invested sooner. Today, we're going to talk all about what if you have invested $1,000 in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and Solana. Also, should you invest in Shiba Inu right now? Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 19th of April, shall we? Do note that the price is multiplied by 1,000 from here for brevity. On its way up from its mid-March lows, Shib buyers attempted to drift the long-term outlook in their favor, but the bears upheld the 9-week trendline resistance, white dashed. The buyers did take charge of the long-term support from the $0.021 mark. Over the last 5 days, the meme token saw an over 24% growth that halted at its trendline resistance. Despite the recent pullback, the price swayed above the 2050-200 EMA and displayed a bullish preference. At press time, Shib traded at $0.02572. Over the last few days, the RSI hovered around the midline and noted a slight bullish edge. Furthermore, the CMF revealed a bias favoring the sellers, but recovery from its support would affirm a hidden bullish divergence with price. Now let's get back to the topic. Perhaps one of the most prominent regrets from the crypto what-if category is the person who rejected Bitcoin in 2011 as a useless investment. He gushed on Twitter about how fortunate he was to have avoided the Bitcoin catastrophe after its drop to a low of $2. Years later, when someone asked humorously whether the person was still alive, he responded that he was still alive on the outside, but dead on the inside. Having said that, what-ifs remain an effective tool for contextualizing markets and identifying new investment possibilities. The following table details the performance of 4 popular cryptocurrencies over the previous 3 years. Bitcoin. 3 years ago, Bitcoin had already established itself as a cryptocurrency and was gaining traction in terms of acceptance. Bitcoin, on the other hand, was in a severe bear market. After reaching a market top of $20,000 in 2017, Bitcoin plummeted to lows of $3,100 by the end of 2018. However, Bitcoin began to make a comeback in February 2019. In February of 2019, Bitcoin was trading around $4,100, up from a low of $3,100 a few months before. In essence, if you could go back in time and invest $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2019, you would get 0.24 BTC. Your current Bitcoin worth is $9,268.29, at today's pricing of $38,000. Today, your investment would have returned you $8,268.29 in net profit. That is an extraordinary rate of return, unmatched by the majority of stocks or commodities investments during the same time span. Ethereum. Since its inception in 2015, Ethereum has gone a long way. Ethereum was trading for less than $1 at the time, but reached an all-time high of $4,800 in 2021. This represents a more than 950% rise in value. The exponential growth in value of Ethereum may be attributed to its smart contracts. While Bitcoin demonstrated the blockchain's ability to decentralize money, Ethereum demonstrated that smart contracts could be used to decentralize nearly anything. Ethereum smart contracts have found an especially strong use in DeFi and NFTs during the past 3 years. Regardless of its merits, Ethereum, like all other cryptocurrencies, is very volatile. Ethereum was trading around $1,500 in 2017, but along with the rest of the market, it collapsed throughout 2018, reaching lows of $90 by year's end. Ethereum, on the other hand, began to recover in early 2019. 3 years ago, Ethereum was on the verge of reviving, having recovered from its 2018 lows to trade at $108. This indicates that if you had invested $1,000 in Ethereum at the time, you would have gotten 9.25 Ethereum in return. This investment would be valued at $25,000 at current pricing. In essence, you would have profited by a factor of 2,400. That is an extraordinary rate of return, unmatched by stocks or commodities during the same time period. It demonstrates how capable cryptocurrencies are of transferring even little sums of money into substantial fortunes. Shiba Inu. 3 years ago, the Shiba Inu was not conceived. However, if you'd discovered it a year later, you'd easily be among society's wealthiest members. Shiba Inu entered the fray in August 2020 with the intention of capitalizing on the meme coin frenzy that was dominating the cryptocurrency market at the time. By late 2021, it had risen more than 48 million%. To put this into perspective, if you bought $2 in Shiba Inu in 2020, you would have doubled your money by 2021. Extrapolating from this, if you bought $1,000 in Shiba Inu in 2020, you would now be worth more than $500 million. There are relatively few individuals on the planet who are worth this much, which implies that with a $1,000 investment, you would immediately be among the world's richest people. Solana. By market capitalization, Solana is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the world. Additionally, it has established itself as one of the market's largest platform blockchains, with a significant and expanding ecosystem of DeFi and NFTs. Notably, Solana did not exist 3 years ago and will only exist in 2020. However, if you invested $1,000 in Solana in 2020 at a price of 78 cents, you would have gotten 1,282 SOL. This investment would be worth $115,205.128 at the current exchange rate. That is a more than 410% gain. Locating present-day purchasing opportunities. Clearly, if you go back in time and profit from the crypto market, you could have easily earned millions. Regrettably, no technology for time travel has been devised. Rather than dwelling on the past, it's more prudent to begin searching for comparable investing prospects immediately. If you can successfully identify the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, or Solana today, you may be smiling all the way to the bank in the next 3 to 5 years. The price predictions of Shib gain more traction due to its privacy tag, a trait and respect that it attaches to all its investors and famous personalities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. In fact, privacy is the hallmark of Shib, which has been the center point of all activities of Shiba Inu tokens gaining worldwide acceptance and popularity in the cryptocurrency market, making it a great investment. 2025 might mark as the benchmark year, as Shib token price is predicted to surpass 91 millionths of a dollar by all means. With mass adoption, Shiba Inu's price is estimated to reach around 10 hundred-thousandths of a dollar by 2025, a rise like never before. Based on our Shib price forecast, the Shiba Inu coin future is bright. We predict a token price around 125 millionths of a dollar by 2025, with almost 236.7% return on investment. If the coin manages to cross the price level of 10 hundred-thousandths of a dollar, it may record 35.46% annualized return over the next 4 years. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!